Most people open a crypto platform and feel lost almost immediately. Too many buttons, too many numbers, and no clear starting point. In this video, I will walk you through the SunCrypto platform in a simple and clear way. So when you see it, everything starts to make sense. When you open SunCrypto, the first thing you notice is how clean and organized the platform feels. Nothing is randomly placed. On the home screen itself, the most important options are already visible: INR deposit, INR withdrawal, SIP, bot trading, stacking, pro trading, Sun Alpha, news, and invite and earn. This layout helps you understand the platform without guessing where things are. Let's begin with the markets. Inside the INR market, you will see popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, TRX, BOT, and many others, all priced directly in Indian rupees. You can easily switch between all coins, your watch list, top gainers, and top losers. Just this screen alone gives you a clear idea of what is happening in the market. Alongside that, there is the USDT market where coins are paired with USDT. This section gives access to more trading pairs and a wider range of tokens, which many users prefer for global pricing. Now let's talk about something very important about money. Adding a bank account or UPI is straightforward. Once it is added, depositing INR is simple. When you go to withdraw, you select your bank, enter the amount, request an OTP, and proceed. Before confirming, the platform clearly shows the minimum withdrawal amount and the withdrawal charge. Everything is visible upfront, which builds confidence. Next comes trading. On the SunCrypto Pro web platform, you get a complete trading environment. You will see live candlestick charts, multiple time frames, indicators, and a live order book updating in real time. Below the chart, you can place limit orders and check open orders and trade history. This setup is especially useful for users who prefer trading on a laptop or desktop. If you don't want to be active every day, SunCrypto also offers SIP investing. In the SIP section, you can start regular investments in coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, TRX, BNB, Solana, and more. You will also see past performance data, which helps with long term planning. SIP is designed for consistency rather than daily decision making. For users who prefer automation, there is a bot trading. Here, you will find bots available for major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, and Solana. The platform shows prices and performance clearly, making it easier to understand how these bots behave over time. SunCrypto also allows users to earn through stacking. In the stacking section, supported tokens are listed along with their annual earning rates. Coins like TRX, Sol, BNB, DOT, AXS, ICP, Core, and BTT are available. You can clearly see what is supported and what rewards are offered. One feature that really stands out is Sun Alpha. Sun Alpha is designed to help users discover new coins clearly. Sun Alpha is designed to help users discover new coins early. You will see newly listed coins, chain wise listings like BNB chain, and coins ranked by volume. New coins are added frequently, and real time risk monitoring is included, which is important when exploring newer assets. There is also a refer and earn section. Here you can invite friends and track referral earnings, commission details, claimable amounts, and payout reports, all organized clearly inside the platform. To keep users informed, SunCrypto includes a news section with market updates, educational content, and crypto related news. There is also a Hindi language option, making the platform easier to use for many Indian users. So, whether you are just exploring crypto, planning long term investing, or simply trying to understand how a crypto platform works, Sun Crypto brings everything together in one clean, organized platform built for Indian users.